Yeah, what's going on, YouTube? Check it. I had this bitch out running today, but for some reason I had a flat tire. Went to Walmart. Blackburn heavy duty inner tube, 24 by 1.75 and 2.25. Works with these bikes, mountain and cruiser. This is a mountain and a cruiser. Look. Ah, it's nice and hard. Nice and fucking hard. Yeah, like my dick. Anyway. Oh, I took the spark plug out, boss. I took the spark plug out. Because she was being ghetto. See? Z8C. I think I blew the fucking plug out because this motherfucker's like all burnt. Fuck that plug. That's cheap Chinesium. Wait till you see what I got. Are you niggers ready? Huh? Huh? Are you niggers ready? Oh. Oh. Motorcycle spare parts. But what could it be? Let's find out. Get down here on the bag. Oh shit. Oh shit. L7T. Ready? 3-prong spark plug shorty. Like I said, I don't need y'all's niggers' approval of what spark plug to get. I buy my own shit. Y'all can go eat a dick. Look at that. Shorty, long dick. Shorty, long dick. Long dick, bye-bye. Shorty. Oh, daddy, get it all up in there. Wait. I gotta finger fuck the hole first. Oh! Oh, fuck yeah. There we go. I'll go in a little bit better. Ah, look at that. Ain't that hot? That's so fucking hot. Oh, my spark plug tool. Spark plug tool, yeah. Yeah. Are you watching? Are you learning something? Maybe you're too stupid to learn. Maybe you're learning, I don't know. Take notes, okay? Because you all need to go back to motorized biking school or something. Go back and get an education on how to build these bikes. Okay? Stupid fucks. Oh boy, this thing's really on there, isn't it? Hold on, give me a minute. Oh yeah. Sorry, I had an orgasm right there. Yeah. See? It says LT7. Yeah, LT7. Can you read that? I think you motherfuckers can read that, can't you? Okay. Just letting you know. Making sure you know. Also, gotta take a snack break. I got me cinnamon cake. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh yeah, get the spark plug all up in there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Anybody want this cheap Chinesium fucking Z8C plug, because it's fucking garbage. My supercharged coil. Ooh. Put the boot on there. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, get it on there. Get it on there. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. I just had the best orgasm ever. Yeah, straighten the gas tank out. Yeah. How you like my little cruiser? Y'all fucking jealous? I hope you is. Maybe you niggers will learn something from watching my video, huh?